up? What's up? All right, so we got Cocho working on the truck. We're gonna be doing some door locks, actuators, and radio speakers alarm. The simple stuff, but it's kind of cool. We're gonna convert an old school roll-up window to electric window. Tell them what's up, Cocho. Yeah.
Hola amigos, ¿cómo están?
They miss you. Alright, so he's right now putting the door lock. We missed that because I kind of came in late to the picture. Next, he'll probably end up doing the spall kit, which is not spall, the AEW window kit, alarm, and then tackle this stuff right here. Stick with me, boys. We back and we're ready to do some more installs. This is a basic one. Just got to get you guys some videos, you know? Cool. Let's go see. I think Coach was already done with all the windows as far as putting the motors in and the door locks. Now he's gonna tackle the alarm system. Yep, time for the alarm system. All right, Coach, you ready, boy? Needs to be done. Remote start, everything in 25 minutes. No? All right, cool. Thanks, bud. Working. Working like a beast. Alright, Rami's in the middle of the sale. Check out these door panels, man. They're old. We're gonna tell the customer he wants to look for some new ones. But while I was looking at door panels, let's not pay attention to that blunt wrap. I don't know what that's used for. And also, what's in that pillow bag? We'll never know. Okay, so the radio's already in. Speaker door panel's back on. Showing this side, the speaker's already installed. The kit for the windows and the door lock. Right now he's gonna button it up. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Simple, simple, clean. What more do you want? It's an old truck. It's for cruising. Once it gets all painted and beautified, then we can put some bass or something, you know? Thanks for watching, guys.
Echa toda la carne al asador, porque
Oh, sounds good.
96% de la raza te pone pura música de calidad.
I like it, I like it. So the radio's in, speakers in, everything's ready. Let's check out the doors, how this works. Wow. Okay, other one. Oh, the one's down already, go up. Clean. You see, guys? Any vehicle can add power windows. Thank you, thank you. Oh, and power door locks? Sheesh. And that has an alarm system, look. Has alarm, bam. Woo. All right, so they're gonna start the classic. They already ripped out some of the stuff at the bottom in order to see where the holes are, the factory little mesh holes. So they're not going to be shown on the tray board, but since those little holes are there, the sound should go through.
Customer request not to cut the car.
Customer asked not to cut a damn thing in this car. So we'll watch them go. Maestro Martin, the new Martin Jimmy is camera shy, so he doesn't want to be on camera. So he'll be blurred out during this video. He's a man of mystery. want good deals, that's the man you gotta see. Okay, check it out. All right, guys. So let me show you the speakers. This is the speaker, Rockford Punch. This little spacer is gonna go above from the bottom, so it doesn't hit the tweeter, and then that's how they will be mounted. Also, I guess they installed some 3.5-inch speakers. You can see right there, the mounted on the bottom of the dash. So that's gonna be extra sound, extra nice. They've just took 2 3.5s, put them on a plate so they can mount in this one section underneath the dash. Actually, it's gonna go up there on top where that hole is. So sound comes out from the dash. Bada bing, bada boom. Hi, man. Give me one rev. Give me one rev. Can you rev it like one time? Alright guys, that's the end of that. Those 2 cars you guys got to see. Appreciate you guys watching. Comment, like, subscribe. We're here all the time. Got more builds coming, as we say. Thanks for being patient with us, guys. Some of these guys are not used to the camera. I'm getting used to working with them. Hopefully they'll get over their shyness and, you know, it'll all be cool. And we can continue to make beautiful videos for you guys. Alright, man. Appreciate you guys always. Much love. Deuces.